Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Trying to be me and do what I gotta do, what I gotta do. People think that I'm just sitting on top of the world, sitting on top of the world. Just trying to be me, do what I gotta do.
Okay, y'all, we have not left yet for Icon of the Seas, so I'm still sitting here. We don't take off until 5 p.m. It is actually 4:24 here Miami time, so we got a little bit before we actually do our stowaway party. And so my son has been swimming. He's been a fish for the past couple hours, him and my niece. Me, my mom, and my husband, we just sitting here chilling, watching them as they swim, play, and then go get on the slide. Right now, I think they got out to go get some food. They were a little hungry, so I'm sitting here. My husband had to go to a table to eat because they do not allow food over here by the pool area. So right now, I'm chilling. I'm sitting here. I am enjoying myself, relaxing. Getting ready here for the stowaway party here in just a little bit, and it's a fun day. It's a fun day, guys. Day one of vacation starts today when we take off, and it is a 7-day cruise with Icon of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. So bringing my mom on her first cruise. So excited about that. She's excited. She's been enjoying herself so far. So again, I'm just chilling right now, so I will pick you guys back up when we actually do our stowaway party at 5 o'clock. There's going to be a stowaway party when we get ready to take off, and then we're going to hang out a little more. We're going to walk around a little more, check out the ship, see what all is going on Icon. And so far, it's been amazing. Love it. No complaints. If you and your family get a chance to ever come on Icon, I say do it. It is pricey, but it is well worth it. Again, it's vacation. It is what it is. Whatever you want to make out of it, how you want a vacation, it's all up to you. But if you can afford it, do it. We are definitely enjoying ourselves. It is humid here in Miami, and of course with the weather, there has been, I've heard of flights being canceled out of Miami for a couple of days because of weather. We did not have any issues getting in Miami. Our flight was on time. It wasn't delayed. It didn't get canceled, pushed to another day. So thank God for that, because we did come in a day early. But also, like I say, everything's been good so far. We did have a couple of hiccups. I must say, once we did land and got our luggage. I did not record because it was a mess. But my husband lost his luggage, y'all. We got to the hotel. We was at the hotel for a couple of hours and did not realize he did not have his luggage until he went to go shower. And he was looking for his luggage and asked me where his clothes was. I'm like, check your luggage. All your, night clothes, pajama stuff is in your luggage. And then we go look for his luggage, and his luggage was nowhere to be found. And so it was like, oh no, did we leave it in the lobby when we checked in the hotel, and maybe somebody turned it in, checked the lobby. They said, no, we don't have it, and no one's turned in. No one has turned in luggage. And so they was like, well, check the cameras to see if someone took the luggage, because it's like we were for sure we had the luggage when we left the airport. And so no one turned it in. And then in the meantime, while we were waiting, my husband got an email from the airport saying that they found our luggage. Thank God for luggage tag. And so, but we went to go to the airport to get the luggage, and they closed at 6 as far as the lost and found department. And so we had to come back, the next morning to get it. And so it was a whole ordeal. But there's Aiden. Say hi.
Hi.
He's, like I say, he's been a fish for the past couple hours, and I think he's getting a hungry monster right now, wanting something to eat or looking for something to eat. But again, we lost his luggage, but then they emailed us and said they found it, and so we were able to pick it up today, this morning, we left the hotel a little early so we can get back to the airport. Because the airport was, we were already coming back to the airport anyway because they were going to shuttle us to the port for our ship. And so they, we got up, had breakfast, and then we headed straight back, you know, had the hotel bring us back, shuttle us back to the airport so we can get his luggage because I want to make sure we were able to get his luggage, get it in time, and to be where we needed to be in the airport to get shuttled here to our port. So I didn't want to miss that as well. So everything worked out well. We did get his luggage. Thank God we did not have to do a Walmart run yesterday afternoon to go find him 7 days worth of clothing because his luggage had all his clothing. It had everything. It had all his underclothes, you know, his underwear, tank tops, t-shirts, and then of course it had like 7-8 days worth of his regular wear clothing. So the only thing we had in a checked luggage, and that was all in his carry-on luggage that he did lose. And we did have our checked-in luggage, but our checked-in luggage only consisted of his, you know, shoes and his formal wear, like a sports jacket and his outfits and stuff for our theme nights here on the cruise. So I was prepared, you know, to be like, let's Uber, go to Walmart and get you, you know, outfits to wear throughout the week, you know, because like I said, we still had our formal clothes, but we just didn't have the regular everyday wear clothes. And I was like, I was prepared to go to Walmart and Walmart it up and get him a bunch of, you know, shorts, t-shirts and stuff for about 8 days that we needed if we didn't find the luggage. But thank God they did email us yesterday evening and said they had it. But by the time we got the email, you know, they were closed. They closed at 6, so we had to turn around and come back in a little early the next morning to get it. But everything worked out well, so that was great. Thank God, you know, for that. And so I just wanted to check in, tell you guys we are having a great time. Hey, they're not going to let you eat over here. You're going to have to go to a table. Did you see Uncle Sean? You see Uncle Sean at the table? So, yeah. So, I just want to check in and let you guys know that everything is going good. We are now on the ship. We've been on the ship for a few hours now. It is now, like I say, it's after 4, going on 5 o'clock. We actually been on the ship since 11 something this morning, so we have been enjoying ourselves, walking around the ship, touring, and we still haven't been on all the floors or the whole, you know, ship. So, because the kid wanted to be a fish and come swim tonight, so we wanted to give him that and let him do what he want to do. You know, we're on vacation, so hey, okay, whatever. But I will pick you guys back up again, like I say, when we get ready to do our sail-away party and as we are heading off to the seas. And I will check you guys out later. Bye.